wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Who are you?
I am Miraj, and you?
I am Makruma Khatun. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Amdi Adat, and your father?
My father's name is Maulana Obaidullah. How old are you?
I am 9 years old, and you?
I am 8 years old. Where do you read in?
I read in Jamia Ummul Qura Fulgaji. And about you?
I also read in Jamia Ummul Qura Fulgaji. What class do you read in?
I read in class 2, and you?
I also read in class 2. Which subject do you read in?
I read Kalima, Quran, Hadith, Masala, Bengali, English, Mathematics, etc. there.
How many students are there in your madrasa?
There are 250 students in our madrasa.
How many teachers are there in your madrasa?
There are 12 teachers in our madrasa.
What your madrasa teaches for you?
Our madrasa teaches us to be a good Muslim. Our madrasa teaches us to recite the Quran. Our madrasa teaches us to the ideal education of Islam. Our madrasa teaches us to develop the general education skills all along. Our madrasa teaches us to the right path from wrong. Our madrasa shiur is blessing of Allah.
Thanks for you.
Thanks for you too. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.